What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the ShabinLife. It has been quite a little while since we uploaded a video. Certainly has been at least 4 weeks since we've been at the property and back on the build. A large portion of that was due to my wife and I getting sick with COVID. We were a very safe household. I mean, we mask up when we need to, and we don't really go many places. And like I said, we're really safe. And unfortunately, it just took one incident at Thanksgiving, and it was a day late and a dollar short, and about 5 of us got sick, my wife and I included. And I'll tell you what, it was a rough couple weeks there. Certainly, we had it much milder than I feel like most, and even a mild case of the coronavirus was enough for me. Definitely 2 weeks, pretty much laid up. Fever in the beginning, loss of appetite, headaches. The headaches sort of lasted the whole time. And I think the worst part, for at least my wife and I, was the fatigue. And also, I guess, like the ebb and flow of the actual virus. I feel like, any other time we've gotten sick, in the past, you feel like you're getting sick, you get sick, it's bad, you get better. This time it seemed like, as you started to feel better and you thought you were, over things or getting there, the next day was an entire setback. And again, I'm very thankful that we had a very mild case, according to what most of the doctors said. But we're both feeling much better, probably 85-90%. Very thankful that the rest of my family's feeling good too. My heart goes out to the families who have lost people because of this. Certainly it is no joke. Like I said, we're feeling better, and it's been a little while since we put out a video, and most of that has to do with us not feeling well and not being able to get back up here and back on the build, which was, which is tough. I wanted to be farther along than where we are right now. It just is what it is. I'm thankful that we got the roof on when we did. Otherwise, we'd be in bad shape. But I have to bring the next load of windows up. So the idea was to make a trip up overnight. We got about 6 or 7 inches of snow 2 or 3 days ago, and I got about 24 inches or so, which I haven't seen yet up at the property. And so it should be exciting, but obviously 2 feet of snow is going to make it a little bit more unique to have to get around the build and ladders and get stuff in the house. And 1 more row of sheathing up of OSB, and I can cut the windows, doors out, and get the house wrap on, which is killing me because when it snows and rains, I know at home I can't do anything, but up there I know everything's just getting soaked. And I anticipate there probably being a bit of snow in the dining room, or living room we should say, that is going to need to be shoveled out. So I thought I'd jump on, just say what's up, just be a quick trip, but I wanted to put something up, let you guys know that we were all good, and why we hadn't put the videos up just from being sick, and say hello, make sure everybody's good, and enjoying the holiday season, getting into that Christmas spirit. But like I said, a couple more hours, we'll be up there. I'll throw the video camera back on, show you what the property looks like, and we'll go from there. But catch you guys in a little bit. See ya. All right, just got to the property, and pleasantly surprised. Harley, if you're watching this, man, thank you very much. Greatly appreciated what you've done here. See if you guys can check this out, but that is a plowed driveway. I am very thankful. It was, I love my truck, but it's just awful in bad weather. I did have some chains that I was going to throw on just to get in the driveway, but thanks to Harley, man, I don't have to worry about that. So I'm going to get parked, and this is awesome. I'm very thankful that I'm going to be able to get up to the build. I didn't think I was going to be able to, so thank you so much, Harley. I appreciate it. And all right, I'm going to get parked up, start getting some stuff unloaded, bring you guys back. All right. So I just pulled up to the build and thought this was funny, so I thought I'd bring you along. So definitely got some snow, and I think it might have made it into the house. Holy smokes. Can't ever say that you had, what, a foot of snow in the house, huh? There's a... Holy smokes. Wow. Let's hope that's a first and a last for us, huh? Straight up snow in the house. Wow. That's pretty awesome and scary all at the same time, but it looks like everything did okay. I think I'll be up for a little bit of shoveling and sweeping in here. Man, it must have been blowing hard up here to blow the snow like this. It's crazy. Hey, good morning. Nice and toasty in the Shabin. Probably like 70 degrees, feels awesome. And just kind of getting cleaned up, ready to get out of here for the day. Like I said, just a quick trip, but I thought I'd take you guys for a walk real fast up to the house. It turned out to be beautiful. As you can see, tons of snow everywhere. Ended up being maybe a foot, maybe 15 inches. Like I said, I think we got maybe 2 feet. But by the time I got up here a couple days later, you know, a little bit's gone, which was certainly helpful. But, yeah. So I got the shelf and the table up in the house yesterday. I don't know how much I videotaped, not much really. Really, it was just me shoveling and sweeping. But, yeah, I'm excited to get back here. Like I said, I'll be coming up here for a little bit longer periods of time so that I can get more done. Hopefully move things along a little quicker. But yeah, it looks really pretty out here. But yeah, I think next is basically sheathing the rest of the house. As soon as I can get those pieces up around the top here, I can start cutting the windows and doors, or windows I should say, and putting the house wrap on. But, not too bad this morning. It was like an ice skating rink when I came up here at 5:30. It's pretty cool. But definitely not as bad as yesterday with all the snow. I came up late, swept it out. Just a little bit of snow left in the corners. But all in all, not bad. And yeah, I brought a little garden table we used to use out back of our house. I'm gonna throw a sheet on there and use it as a work table, and gets me off the floor. Brought a shelf up here so I can start putting stuff up here instead of in the crawl space. Last night I came back and I was getting rid of all the snow up here in the dark, and my gloves were soaked. My hands were freezing. But all good. That's really it. Sorry, nothing fun and exciting, but like I said, we'll be back on the build. probably in another week, right after Christmas. Speaking of, from the ShabinLife family to yours, wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If for some reason we don't catch up beforehand. And thank you to all the new subscribers. I saw a couple hundred new ones over the last few weeks, which is pretty awesome. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Not to go on a tangent, but I will always do my best to just put the video title, what you're going to watch in the video. None of this, I can't believe this happened. And then 35 minutes in the video, a ladybug lands on my ear. Or, I can't believe he did that. And he doesn't do anything, and you had to watch 45 minutes to find out. I don't have that kind of time. I'm sure you don't either. But I will always do my best to never mislead with a video title. I'll be thinking about what this one is, since it's just a bunch of me talking. But yeah, we'll be back next week building again, and hopefully the videos will become a little more exciting. And we have so much more fun stuff to share with you guys, and we're really excited that things are moving along a little bit quicker now, and will be so with me coming up a little more often and staying a little longer. But yeah, that's it, man. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And we've been putting out like a video a month, maybe. Hopefully we can turn that into like a video a week, and try not to waste anybody's time and just show you some of the good stuff and maybe some of the bad stuff. But again, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. I know Mrs. ShabinLife would wish that too if she was here. Hope all is well for everybody. Enjoy the holidays. We'll catch you soon.